Ladies and gentlemen,
Should I hold it? Oh.
what happened?
Should I like hold it?
Hold what? Oh, the camera. I don't know. Let me try it first without you holding.
Okay.
So we got the greatest toy invented in the universe right here. I don't know if you can see right there, Chewbacca, right? And you can see he's all messy, like his hair's all messed up. You know, his awesome face sculpt is perfect. And so what I'm gonna do is put him outside the window and see what he looks like after and while he's outside the window. So let's see how I can do this. And it's probably gonna be really loud because of the wind, so you might want to turn your speakers down, bitches. I don't want no complaining. Here we go. Ding, 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 ding.